So on the page number 29, scanner is an input device which allow us to transfer text or images to the computer. What does mean by images? Images means the pictures. Images means pictures. So what does a scanner do? A scanner can transfer text. Text means alphabets and numbers or pictures. So scanner just transfer the numbers, alphabets and pictures to the computer. It copies. It copies words, numbers, or pictures from a book or a sheet of paper to the computer's memory. Memory is a place where computer saves its data. Memory is a place in a computer where computer saves its data. So, scanner can copy words, numbers, or pictures. Scanner can copy words, numbers, or pictures from anything like from book, from piece of paper or a sheet of paper, or from anything which we what we placed on the scanner. If you see this scanner, there are many types of scanner, but this one is the most common type of scanner. Okay, in this what we have to do, first we have to open the lid. Where is the lid? Here it is. First, we open the lid, then we have to place the book or a paper on that glass, and then we have to put down the lid, and then we start scanning. This is the most traditional style of scanner and scanning. Okay, these are one of the best scanners which scans. Scanner scan the document in the form of picture, whatever we are placing here. If we place our hand, if we place our document, if we place a paper, if we place a book, whatever we are placing on that glass, scanner copy that thing and transfer it to computer in the form of picture. In the form of picture, scanner transfer that thing to inside the computer. Scanner basically scans, printer prints out. If someone say you that scanner can print out the paper, it's false. Scanner can never be the printer. Printer is a separate thing. There are some machines available in the market in which scanner and printer are combined, but printer prints, scanner just scan. Scanner is an input device and printer is an output device. Both devices are different. Scanner always scans the picture, scans the image, scans the text towards the computer. Very good, Bala. That's good if you have. Okay. So now once again we are coming toward the input device. The previous devices which we discussed are keyboard, mouse, joystick, mic, graphic tablet, and stylus. We see these five devices, all of them are input. As I told you that input devices means the devices which took something from you. The devices which are not giving you anything, just taking you. Keyboard is taking a numbers, alphabets from you to type. Mouse wants a click from you. Mouse will not give you anything. Your screen will give you the result. Your speaker will give you the result. So the devices which took something from you and take that data inside the computer, those are input devices. So scanner will not return you anything. Scanner just take a picture and give this picture to the computer, and monitor is the thing which show you the results of the scanner. Okay, so scanner is the sixth device which we are discussing. What does a scanner do? Scanner scans. Scanner scans. If you see the spelling is the spelling is scanner, scanner. Sometimes what happened that someone write like scanar, someone write scaner, a single n. No, the correct spelling is written over here. It's scanner. Scanner scans, printer printouts. Both of them are different. Both devices are different. Scanner and printer both are not same. So, scanner is an input device which gives us permission or allow us to transfer the text or pictures to the computer. It copy all the things, word, number, pictures from a book or a sheet of paper to the computer's memory. The scanner you are seeing on this page number 29 is a traditional scanner and one of the best scanners are of this type. Now, there is one more type of scanners available. There are so many types. Let me show you one type of scanner. If we write, if we write handheld scanner, if we write handheld scanner, see, I am just opening the Google Images. If you see in this picture, all these are handheld scanner. These are the scanners through which we can scan. Okay, see this one. So all of them are handheld scanner. These are used to scan the things. These are used to scan the things. Some of the handheld scanners, if you see this one, for example, if you see this one, the screen is at this side. Okay, there it is. If you focus on this scanner, this one, this scanner cost very less, only 65 real, but the size is also very small. It is used with the help of a hand. We just have to roll it over on the book with the same speed. It looks small, it's cheap, but the point is it's not good. Handheld scanners looks good, but they are actually not good. Why they are not good? Because hand, a human hand cannot move in a routine, cannot move gradually. Okay, because for example, when we make a video with our hand, sometimes video becomes shaky, sometimes our hand moves faster, sometimes our hand moves slow, so video becomes shaky. In this way, if you are moving or anyone is moving this handheld scanner on the book or the page, if the hand moves fast, the picture will be blur. Why? Because the movement of the hand is not steady, it's different. So that's why the scanner, the traditional scanners which have a lid, this one in the book, they are the best scanner. Handheld scanners are good, but they are not best. They are good in portability. You can take them anywhere. Which one? The handheld, the smaller one. You can take these type of scanners everywhere. They can run with the help of a battery. But the point is the result is not so good. So they are not best. The traditional scanners are the best one. Handheld scanners are not the good one. Everybody understand that point regarding the scanner? Everybody understand that point regarding the scanner?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So the devices which we study, let me write the name. So we discussed about the input devices. What those input devices are. We see six devices that are mentioned in your book. It's a keyboard, it's a mouse, it's a mic like a microphone, it's a graphic tablet. Then we have the stylus. Along with it, we have a joystick. Then we have a scanner. Okay, so all of these are input devices. All of these are input devices. All these devices take data from you. They demand data from you. So till now we discussed 7 input devices: keyboard, mouse, mic, graphic tablet, stylus, joystick, and scanner. For example, if I ask you this question, tell me any four input devices. So we discussed seven devices. We discussed seven devices. So at least you should know four of them. At least you should remember the name of four devices among the seven devices. Means you should know the names. For example, if I ask you, tell me any five input devices. So you should know the names of five input devices among seven. For example, if I ask you, tell me any three devices. So you should know the names of any three input devices. It means that you have to remember the device name. Which devices? Input devices. Yes, Ahmad Jabril, you are right. These are the same devices. You are right. Okay. Now, the devices are on the screen. Let me clear the screen. Wait a second. So, there is a picture given on this page number 29. You have to copy the picture of the bus in the box below. So, exactly it is not possible to scan it. You just have to copy it. So, what you do, you have just to draw this picture here on page number 29. After drawing, just take a picture and send it to me on the mail. You just have to copy the picture. The picture is very easy. With the help of scale and a pencil, you can draw it. And you need some circles. See, the one circle, the bigger one, and the third circle. So you need to draw three circles, and then you have to use your scale, and you have to draw this bus on the page number 29. Everybody understand that thing? Say yes or no.
So I want to tell you something.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Where can I write it?
If
I draw it at
anybody
the
wants
paper.
to share anything, you can just send it to the chat. In the Zoom chat, you can send it. If you want to share anything, you can just send it to Zoom chat. Now, let me move to the next page. Everybody open the page number 30. Everybody open the page number 30. On the page number 30, what we have? We are moving to the page number 30. But before going this, there is a one piece of information giving at the end of this page. Handheld scanners enable you to move the scanner slowly over the page you want to scan. With the help of hand, you can move. That's why they are handheld. As I told you, they are good, but they are not the best ones. The best ones are those which are above we see on this page 29. And one more thing related to the joystick is that joystick is basically derived, or concept of the joystick is coming from the aircrafts. Normally joysticks are used inside the aircrafts, and from the aircrafts they got the idea in the gaming for racing cars and for the aeroplane games. And now some modern joysticks are also there. Okay, yes, you can scan it. You can scan it with the cam scanner. You can scan it with the help of a cam scanner. That's good. Yes, Karim Mohammed. Yes, if you want to draw it, you can draw on the paper and then paste that paper on this page number 29. You can paste it. You can draw it on the paper and then cut the picture and place or paste that picture on this page number 29. Now, everybody open the page number 30. Okay, that's a great thing, Ahmad Jibril. Yes. See, there are some options. You just have to copy. If you want to print it, you can print. If you want to make it on the computer, you can make, it's your choice. But if you don't want to make, just use a pencil scale to draw this in the book. It's a your choice. Now, on the page number 30, now we are seeing the touch screen. We know that we know that a touch screen is a computer. Touch screen is a computer screen which we can touch, as its name shows. As its name shows that it's a touch screen. Touch screen is a computer screen that respond. Respond means give reply, give response, or give answer. So touch screen is a computer screen that give response or responds to a touch on its surface. When we touch the screen of a mobile, iPad, or tablet, or the touch laptop, what does screen show? Screen will reflect either the lock screen or will show the desktop. When we touch the screen, what will happen? It show the screen. The screen is sensitive to pressure. Yes. Why it is sensitive? Why it is sensitive? Because when we touch our finger, it responds. The screen is sensitive to pressure. When we touch our finger to the screen, we are basically putting a pressure. Pressure is just a weight. When we put the weight on the screen of a tablet or a laptop or a mobile, so basically that screen will respond. Screen will say what you are doing. When you touch your finger in the mobile screen, it depends that where you are touching it. So according to that location, the mobile or the screen will respond. Touch screen are also used in the ATMs. So there are so many places in the ATM screen where you can touch. Every part of that screen will give you the response in a different manner. There are so many options there in it. So it's up to you that where you are placing your finger, on which corner, on which area of the screen you are placing. So according to that location, the computer will give you or ask you something or give you some options. So touch screen is sensitive to pressure. We interact. The word interact means communicate. We interact. Normally we interact with people. We communicate with people. Yes, it's right. So So, we communicate with the computer by moving the cursor or selecting pictures or words on screen. So, we communicate with computer. We communicate with computer by moving the cursor or selecting pictures or words on the screen. So, how we can communicate? We can use our mouse to communicate, because with the help of mouse we can use the computer very easily. Or we can select the picture, we can play the games, we can see the words on the screen, copy the words, we are seeing the video on the screen. In this way we can interact. We can use the social media apps on the computer. In this way we can interact. There are so many ways to communicate with the computer: through games, through websites, through videos, through pictures, through typing, or with the help of a mouse. So, touch screen is just a computer screen that responds to a touch on its surface. When we touch that screen will give some response to us. Everybody of you understand this point? We discussed one point till now of this
Yes,
page.
sir, I understand it. Yes, sir, I
Okay.
understand it.
Okay. Okay. So, now now the second line of this page is discussing or telling us about touch screens are used in laptops, tablets, mobile phones, and ATMs. As we discussed, touch screen are used in laptops. There are touch laptops, there are tablets, there are mobile phones, so many mobile phones and ATMs. By the way, is there anyone who know what is the full form of ATM? Like CPU, we know it. CPU is a central processing unit. It's a central processing unit. What does ATM stands for? What does ATM stands for? Is there anyone who can tell me the full form of ATM? I'm just asking, just for the information, that is there anyone who know this knowledge? You can send it. Okay, you can also send it to the chat. Okay, if you know it, then you can also want. If you want to tell us, then you can just raise the hand. What is the full form of ATM? Okay, M stands for machine. M stands for machine. Okay, so you have to tell me 80. Yes, Bala. Bala, are you there? You can unmute yourself now, Bala.
Yes, sir. I'm Abdullah Muhammad Yuri.
Okay. Abdullah, you are sign in with the new name.
Sir, sir,
Okay.
I
Can you
can
tell me the
hear
full form of ATM?
ATM.
Yes.
A autumn. A autumn.
Sorry. What are you saying?
A automatic.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. So Abdullah told us 1 point. Let's see who we have. Yes, Abdullah Al Julum. Can you tell us the full form of ATM?
Yes, an automated teller.
Yes. Can you tell the complete words ATM?
ATM, AT, ATM is a automated
Yes, yes, you are right.
teller.
Ah, okay. Okay. Good. Abdullah, both Abdullah. Abdullah Yuri and Abdullah Al Julum both give the correct answers. Okay. Now, Ahmad Jibrail. Ahmad Jibrail,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me?
Yes, it is automatic teller computer. I mean machine.
Okay. Ayad Khalid,
Yes, sir.
what do we call ATM? What is the full form of ATM?
Automatic. Automatic
Yes.
timber
No.
machine.
Aut- M stands for machine,
Auto-
A stands for automatic. You are right. What about T?
Is there a teller?
Okay, wait for a second. It's Ayad. Ayad, are you there? Can you tell us? Your voice is not coming, Ayad. Yes, Ahmad Usama.
Automatic timber machine.
Okay. Kareem Mohammed. Kareem Mohammed said,
Automatic timber machine.
okay. Jihad Mohammed.
Yes, sir. Automatic timber machine.
Okay. Ahmad Mohammed. Yes, please.
Automatic timber machine.
Okay. Jihad Al Sayyed.
Yes, sir.
Tell us.
Automatic timber machine.
Okay. So it's a automatic teller machine. It's a automatic teller machine, sometimes also called as automated. Sometimes also called as automated, or we can say it's a automatic teller machine. This machine counts. That's why it's a teller. Okay, so it's a automatic teller machines. ATM stands for automatic teller machines. So this is the full form of ATM. Very good. So many of you know. I think all of you know the full form of this one. M always stands for the machines in it. It's a automatic teller machines. So we discussed about 7 input devices till now in this chapter. What those devices are? The devices are keyboard, mouse, mic, graphic tablet, stylus, stage joystick, and scanner. All of them are input. No one is a output. They all took data from us. They all took something from us and passed that something inside the computer. That something is a input. They take input from us. Okay, and after this we discussed about the touch screen. Touch screen is a computer screen which give a reply, which give a response on the touch. Touch screen is a pressure sensitive. When we touch it, we put the pressure on the screen and screen will respond to our touch. We see where we are using touch screen in the mobile phones, in the ATMs, in the tablets, and in the laptops. Okay, so there is one assignment waiting for you in the class light. It's available there. We are stopping it here and we will continue from this page exercise in the next class, inshallah. So everybody should open the assignment from the class light. We will meet in the next class, inshallah.